Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sorbet in a cold-pressed juicer. First, gather your ingredients and ensure your juicer is ready. We'll cover selecting the right fruit, preparing it properly, and using the correct juicer attachment. This simple process transforms frozen fruit into a delicious, healthy treat. Get ready to enjoy homemade sorbet with minimal effort and maximum flavor. Choosing the right fruit is key for amazing sorbet. Opt for ripe, sweet fruits like berries, mangoes, or bananas. Freeze your fruit solid for at least 4 hours or overnight to achieve the perfect consistency. Before freezing, cut larger fruits into 1-inch pieces and remove any seeds or pits. This preparation ensures smooth processing and a delightful sorbet. Now let's set up your cold-pressed juicer. Replace the juicing screen with the sorbet attachment, sometimes called a blank screen. Turn on your juicer and begin feeding the frozen fruit pieces slowly into the chute. Don't rush it. Let the juicer work its magic. You can alternate different fruits for exciting flavor blends, creating a custom sorbet experience. Your delicious homemade sorbet is now ready to enjoy. For the best soft serve consistency, serve it immediately. You can add a fresh mint leaf or a sprinkle of citrus zest for an extra touch. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the freezer. It will firm up, so let it soften slightly before serving again. Enjoy your healthy, refreshing treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.